Meaning of fresher.
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 Fresher. Fresher is a term commonly used in India to refer to someone who has recently graduated from college or university. It is generally used to describe a young person who has little or no work experience and is looking for their first job opportunity. Freshers are typically considered to be enthusiastic, energetic, and eager to learn, but may face challenges when it comes to finding employment due to the lack of experience. Organizations sometimes offer specific training programs for freshers to help them develop the necessary skills and knowledge required for the job.